Want to earn money just by watching ads? Yes, you heard it right. Imagine turning those unavoidable digital interruptions into a source of income. We're talking about Google Ads, your new potential cash cow. With a simple and straightforward process, you can start earning up to $3 per minute. That's right, per minute. Transform your online experience into a profitable venture without breaking a sweat. Intrigued? Stick around to learn the step-by-step process. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of earning money by watching Google Ads. First things first, you need to find a reliable platform that offers pay-per-view for Google Ads. There are several such platforms available online. Do your research and choose one that suits your needs and has good user reviews. Signing up is usually straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and payment details. Remember, legitimate platforms won't ask for any upfront fees. Once you're all signed up, you can start watching ads. Here's how it works. The platform will present you with a selection of Google ads to watch. They could be about anything from the latest smartphone to a new brand of toothpaste. You might wonder, why would anyone pay me to watch ads? Well, companies are always looking for ways to increase their reach and visibility. By paying you to watch their ads, they ensure that their message gets seen. Now, there's a catch. To earn money, you need to watch the entire ad. No skipping after 5 seconds. This is crucial because the advertisers want to be sure that their message has been fully delivered. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ad. Who knows, you might even find something interesting. Once you've watched the ad, you'll earn a certain amount of money. The rate varies depending on the platform and the length of the ad. But let's say, for example, you earn $3 per minute if you watch 10 ads a day, each 1 minute long. That's $30 a day. Not bad for a few minutes of your time, right? Finally, to get paid, you'll need to reach a certain threshold, again, depending on the platform. Once you've hit that number, you can request a payout. Most platforms offer various payment methods, including direct bank transfers, PayPal, or even gift cards. And there you have it. Earning money by watching Google Ads is as simple as that. You might be wondering, why should I earn money this way? Well, there are plenty of reasons. First off, the flexibility is unmatched. You can do it from anywhere at any time, making it perfect for those with unpredictable schedules. Then there's the potential earnings. With each minute of ad viewing, you're adding dollars to your pocket. And finally, it's simple. No complex tasks, no prior experience needed. So why not give it a shot? Start earning money by watching Google Ads today.